Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can unblock someone on Steam. So guys, if you recently blocked someone and you want to unblock them now but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. So guys, just go ahead and tap on your name right over here, and after you hover over it, you just need to tap on friends, and after you tap on friends you would be in this page. So you can see the friends you have, you can add friends, tap pending invites, and finally there's your block option. Just go ahead and tap here and now you can find the people that you have blocked. So if you want to unblock them, just go ahead and select the people that you've blocked, and after you do so, just go ahead and tap on these three buttoned options, and now you can find options like stop following, report player, and unblock all communication. Just go ahead and tap on unblock and tap on yes, unblock them, and guys, there you go, you have successfully unblocked someone on Steam. So if you check your blocked list again, you will find that there's no one, or the person that you've blocked is no longer there. So guys, there you go, that's how you unblock someone on Steam. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.